All right, so I did a video about when you're given the graph of a parabola, how to write vertex form. But now we're given vertex form and we have to graph our own parabola. Now, like I just said, these problems are in vertex form, meaning I know exactly what the vertex is. Okay? So there's a number with x, and then there's a number on the outside there. Okay, I'm looking at number 7. And so if I remember vertex form correctly, I believe it's a times x minus h squared plus k. Okay? And the vertex would be at hk. Okay? So notice that inside the parenthesis with x, it's minus h, meaning the opposite of h, right? Because in the vertex, it's just h. So I do the opposite of what's there. So my actual vertex is not negative 2. My actual vertex is positive 2. Okay? So for number 7, my vertex is positive 2. And then I just take negative 3 at its word right here. So 2, negative 3 would be where my vertex is for number 7. Okay, if I were to do a rough sketch, 2, negative 3 would be right here-ish. Okay? And then I look at A to tell me if this is going up or down. Well, there's nothing in front of the parenthesis, but I could put an invisible 1 there, meaning it's going upwards, so something like this. Noticing that I'm trying to curve it as best I can, and it's going up and out at the same time. So that would be a rough sketch there. So let's take a look at number 11, well, I guess while we're here looking at this. Okay. So if I were looking at number 11, again, I do the opposite of what's with x. So instead of negative 1, it would actually be positive 1. And I just take that for its word, 3. So my vertex is at 1, 3. Okay, so 1, 3. Okay, and A right here tells me it's negative 3, meaning it's going down. But the 3 also gives me a hint that it's actually going down at a steeper slope, meaning it's going to be more narrow than usual. So instead of making it a little wider, I'm going to come down really fast. Something like that. All right, so that kind of gives you an idea. If given the vertex form of the function, you can draw a quick sketch of the parabola by applying the vertex and then looking at A to kind of give you a hint of where it goes. Now, of course, you could actually figure out this problem if you want to find the x-intercepts and plug in for the y-intercept. You could totally do that. But if we had to graph each function, unless it tells you specifically what you're looking for, if you're given it in vertex form, you should see the vertex, and then the number in front, A, tells you the general direction it's going to go. So without more specific instructions, this is what I would do.